This video will be deleted tomorrow, probably same place, same time. See you there. But I need this video to explain tomorrow's video. And once tomorrow's video is up, we won't need this video. Hang tight. What I have been working on, which is not something that I post on YouTube a lot, is trying to transition this into doing more public speaking about this story and all the many, many lessons that are in this book. And I did get to do a big one recently, a keynote speech here in Wilmington. And that's what I'm posting tomorrow. Now, the fun story, and if you've watched this channel for any amount of time, you know that if it's not a dumpster fire, it wasn't a Casey Roman story. I spend so much time trying to boil down this book and what I want people to hear from it into a concise speech for 400 people. Big deal. And they tell me that they're gonna have a video team and they're gonna record the whole thing, and I'm gonna have this beautiful video that I can then use to pursue more public speaking, which means I get to get a new RV and get back on the road and wonderful. And the funny part of that whole story, where it becomes a Casey Roman story, is that I get an email 2 weeks after the speech that says, hey, we kind of forgot to record it. We recorded your audio, so we have that, but not any visual or evidence that it was you. And they said, but good news, there were people in the audience who recorded portions of it with their cell phone. I said, all right, well, whatever we have, whatever we can use. And they said, well, they recorded it in slow motion. Of course they did. Of course they did. So the video I'm going to post tomorrow is, I'd say maybe half of the total speech. And I did my best through pulling footage from other videos, through speeding up all the slow motions to put together something that resembled that event. But that's all I have to work with. So I am posting the speech tomorrow. It was probably not my finest work in the world because I'm not used to speaking to 400 people. I'm used to speaking to a camera and the internet, and that's it. And people, that's a scary thing when you have 400 blank faces staring at you and you know that you're about to tell them about how you made a toilet out of a bucket. And these are professionals. This was a leadership conference. You wear your nice bra to this kind of event. Why they asked me, I'm not quite sure, but they did. And now they're all so inspired. So I'm gonna post a video of the presentation. Ruined mansion and wild horses and armadillos running all around. I have no idea how they even got there. I went along the Gulf of Mexico, and anytime I needed to eat something, you'd think that since I think it's 56% of the entire population's biggest fear, that you would just have a bounty of opportunities if you wanted to do this sort of thing, and that's not true. It's a very coveted matter. But there's 29.1K of you, a whole internet, but 29, almost 30,000 subscribers. And so here's the die I'm willing to roll, is that somewhere in that population, there has got to be someone who knows of an event that needs a speaker. Now, next month, I'm in York, PA to speak not once, but twice at an RV for Women conference. So that's great, but it has to keep snowballing. And so I need the help with the snowballing. Somewhere in 29,000 people, there has got to be someone who knows of an event that needs a speaker, or their company needs a speaker, or their college needs a speaker. And well, I'm just your gal. I come with stories and sarcasm, and you might learn some new swear words and pictures and videos and all sorts of things. So anyway, this video will disappear when that video comes up, but I need all y'all's help to make this happen because I happen to have my eye on my first travel trailer. Class A thing didn't work, travel trailer, but I can't justify the travel trailer if I don't have a schedule of speaking events to go. So, all right, high five everybody. Thanks for the help.